Welcome back to Trail Rig Mods. This is Rob. Just going to be installing the factory fan replacement on a 98 Jeep Cherokee 2-door 4-wheel drive. The reason is this fan does give me a little bit of vibration in the cabin. It used to not be there, so I thinking it's just getting old. It's not seized, as you can probably hear. You can hear that a little bit. That's the old fan. This is the new one. And a little bit smoother and lasts longer on the spin there. Other than that, they're pretty identical from connectors. They're pretty much the same. And the fan blades, that's the only difference. The design is more of a scoop, as you can see. And there's one extra blade on the old fan. There's 10 blades here and 9 there. They're actually numbered, which is funny. So I guess the mechanic can tell you, you lost number 2. I guess you should break them off evenly and then it'll work just fine. Joking. But anyways, this is the part number. This is how it came. Ripped label, but it is the right part number. The mounts are all the same. Everything's the same. We'll see how it works out. I'll record the sounds so you guys can hear the difference outside the vehicle, and we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. This is the factory fan from the 90 Jeep Cherokee. I'm just recording the sounds to see if there's any difference with the new fan. I do get overheating issues. It hits 40 degrees Celsius here in BC. But yeah. I think the fan might be okay, but it has changed tone over the years. Sounds a little quieter. See? Feels stronger though. The wind. Lots of air. See how it runs.